Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do my entire beauty room unpacking. This is one of those projects that I've been holding out on because I know it's going to take me a few days. This video is probably going to be in 2 parts because I'm going to do all the unpacking and then I'm going to go through and buy like clear acrylic organizers, and then I'm going to film that process as well. Walter actually built my entire pack system. It looks so good. I can't wait to show it to you guys. Then I'm gonna show you all the boxes and we're gonna jump into this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and now let's jump in. So here is my beauty room setup. I'm so excited to fill her up. She goes all the way to the ceiling. So this is a pack system from IKEA. You basically just buy the columns and then you organize the drawers however you like them. I'm hoping this system works for me. You can always buy like additional pieces. And then I have my same IKEA desk that I had from my last beauty room. I'm probably gonna keep this as just the tabletop and the 2 Alex drawers. Not really sure if I'm going to keep it, but for right now I am. And right here I have, these are just some of the clear ones. I'm not really sure how I'm going to label everything, but I'm probably gonna put Post-its just to be able to stick everything into its rightful drawer. I'm also putting my like sunglasses in here, some hair products, and my wigs are probably going to go in the closet. Right now I just have my 1 Alex drawer because I'm not sure if I'm keeping that, some pencils. I also have my Glam Core mirror in there. And then this is just a little additional space. Now let me show you all of the boxes. So I actually had to rummage through some of the boxes because I needed some makeup. So a few of them are open, and I had some extra UPS boxes from my giveaways. So I just threw my makeup in there because I ran out of these boxes. They were a little big for some of just like the smaller collections that I had, like the blushes. And I'm not sure what this one says. Oh, this is like new makeup that I haven't used yet. And then I just have, that's a box of wigs. And then it's like clothes and a ton of stuff. So yeah, it's like hella crowded in here. I have a bunch of boxes that I haven't unboxed. This is that like blue little, what is this called? Like a cabinet that I had in the other space. So yeah, let's bring this all over. So we're about to label. My best friend Izzy is here. So this is a small, then it's a large, medium, large, and then I have one more small. Okay, let's do it. Right now is just getting everything into its proper drawer so everything looks really messy. Then we're gonna buy like acrylic containers or little dividers just so it looks nice and organized. So if you're wondering why I'm kind of just tossing things into drawers, this is what they look like until we get every box unpacked. We're making some progress in here. The drawers are starting to fill up. Yes. 1 o'clock, so we are going to reconvene in the morning. Zia's going to go to the container store because she wants to get into this organization. But we're going to finish putting everything into their rightful drawers. I'm going to show you a quick little clip of that, and then all the stuff that we're going to grab so that we can make these drawers look presentable. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned. So we're going into the container store. Zia is wildly excited because she loves organizing things. My mom has Gucci. Gucci girl. Hi. Hi, mama. They have a ton of different styles and sizes, which is really cool. Even these little tiny ones. I'm thinking about maybe getting one of these to keep on my beauty desk. Just with like new up and coming products that I may want to use, but I really like that like clean look of the acrylic container. Here's what we got so far. Thanks, Z. She has her little list. I'm like, Z, let's make a list of all the things that we need, and she like full out wrote this little list of everything that we need for all the drawers, so I keep her around. Come on, beach. All right, these are all the containers that we just signed. So got a crap ton of acrylic containers. Now I'm going to try to organize some of this makeup so I can give you some ideas, show you what it looks like, because I am all for those satisfaction goals when you see like everything like perfectly organized, and right now it's a mess. This is my current situation. Obviously this is all a mess, but all the drawers, things are kind of just thrown into them. These are some of my lipsticks, actually a lot of my lipsticks. There's some glosses that I have, my blushes and bronzers. Here are my glitters and glitter glue, and I have a few pressed eyeshadows, some more lip products. It's a mess. This one is still empty. These are more lip products. I have a few setting sprays down here, palettes, some more palettes. I also have a few concealers and correctors, a ton of foundations in there, some powders, primers, and here is where I have my highlighters. I actually want to just do like cute displays up there. I'm probably going to buy another clear drawer, or actually maybe just like the white one so I can put it above, because I think I need a little bit more space. And I'll probably put one here and maybe another white one right here, but we'll see. I have some brushes. I need to figure out a new like system for my brushes, but these are like my secondary brushes, not like my main ones. I'll show you those later. My sunglasses, and my last drawer is pretty hectic. And I also have some stuff in here. I think this is empty. This is some of my fave products, but I kind of left them on my desk. This just looked really pretty. This one and the other one over there, they used to sit on my desk. I might switch some stuff out just to like freshen it up. And this stuff is like from like years and years ago. And then I just have some of my stuff up there, but once it's done, I'll show you guys. And in the closet, I just have this box of hair. This mirror is not gonna stay here. The Alex drawer, I have some hair products in here. I actually moved them from this side. Then I just have some of my makeup bags up there. And I bought some acrylic containers just so those can be nice and organized. And this is some of my like Halloween stuff. So I'm also going to line that up here, and I also want to have some type of like hanging system for my wigs, which some of them in here, and I have one more box. And here is one more view of it.